Wala. Alright. Haha! Dito na naman tayo sa D3. Oh yeah. Medyo mahangin. It's kind of a bit hot but windy and still okay. So let's try again here. If what we could catch, maybe we could catch big fish, small fish, whatever fish, as long as it's Sunday. Today is like August 18, Sunday? Yeah, 17. 18. But let me just check. Right. So it's August 18, Sunday, 2024. Let's try to find if we can catch some fish. If wala, well, uwing duhaan. Right, let's go. Shoot shout out.
Hello!
Right, let's get ready. Sana makaulit na marami. First off, the hat. 3 years na tungkot hat na to eh. And my gears. Ayan. First time try nating mag Insta360. Kasi feeling ko special ngayon eh. Oo. Pag may nahuli tayong isda, try natin gamitin to. Right. Baka binasin tayo dahil dito sa Insta360 na to. Ayan. Hindi pa ako mayaman. Mahilig lang ako sa gadget. Hiyap. Yeah. Voila. Ito yung papabuenas. Ayan. Dito tayo mag-vlog. Ayan. Right. Now. Ayan. Saan na ba yung mga rods ko? Sergio, nasa yung mga rods ko? Mga rods ko, nasaan? And then ating pain is fresh shrimp. Yeah, fresh shrimp from Safest Way. It's only 9 dirham. Right? Wala akong gunting. Anyway, okay. Bagan. Bye. Alright, so nakakasa tayo ng isa. And let's try to cast my second rod. So there's a double chance of getting the fish. If I have time, I will make another third rod. Sobrang init. Time check, it's around, we just came like 3:30. We just came like 3:30, so it's like 5 minutes now. Hope we could catch some fish. Bye. Bye. Alright, second tapon. Putik na yung init. Got a strong activity there. Hoping we could catch a big one. Bumali na. Waiting. Again, bumali na sobra. Marami. Waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Oh. Wow! So much big! Let's take the end. Too much big! Let's take the end. Ano ba naman to? What's this? Yaw na! Wala. Teknero, liit na pagkoko. Alas, tekno buhay. Putangin na. Ay, sorry. Oh my God. Alas, tekno buhay ito. Liit. Lamang mas lalaki nito. Alas, tekno yan. Galaw-galaw pa. Pero okay na to. Aba! Ayan, Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Hey, my bro. How are you? Got anything? How much? Oh, mashallah. So you have now food, huh? How much time? What time? One? What time you come? Eh? Oh my God, it's too early. Sabi niya nahuli. May mga kabayan pa doon sa dulo. Masaya nila. Wala pa akong nahuli, putik na yan. Yung maliit lang. Right. Wala. Aba. Meron na. Malaki. Di nga. Malaki nga. Malaki daw eh. Ngiting-ngiti eh. Oh. Sana? Wala. Ayun! Aywa! Yan na naman. Sergio na naman. Bah, ano daw? Malaki daw. Oh, malaki nga. Oh, tignan yan, oh. Aba, good item.
Malakapas lang, malakas.
Nice one. Meron daw. Malaki sana daw. Putik. Nawala. Sayang, nakawala. Parating. Bah! Tapon. Fish coming. O yan. Meron daw. Parang pangatlo na to ni Sergio na. Fish coming. Baba. Sana. Yung baling-bali oh. Aba, ang laki. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Siyempre. Fish coming. Lastik. Ano sabi si John?
Swerte na eh.
Sayaw. Lastik. 3-0. Itlog ang putik na yan. Yung na. My God.